Television is the most used electronic device in the world after mobile phones. We use it to watch the news, watch movies, or follow sports. In fact, it is estimated that for every 4 people in the world, there is at least one television, and that more than 200 million televisions are sold each year. But have you ever wondered how they are made? How is it possible for a modern television to have smart functions and offer a resolution of up to 8K? Well, today we will travel to China, where the largest LED Smart TV factory in the world is located, where more than 10,000 televisions are manufactured every day. There we will see the entire process that each television goes through, from how hundreds of engineers design them to how operators, with the help of advanced technology, assemble them one by one to create the television that will arrive at your home. So, get ready because today we are going to see how thousands of smart TVs are mass-produced. We begin. Step number 1. Design and planning. It all starts with the design. Before a single piece of material touches a machine, hundreds of engineers and designers set to work creating the television of the future. It's not just about making something that looks good, but also about planning what the complete viewing and navigation experience will be like. Did you know that a single television model can have more than 300 design versions before reaching the final version? It's incredible! At this stage, designers not only think about the screen resolution, but also about the operating system that will make your smart TV connect perfectly with platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and many more. To design it, engineers and designers rely on advanced technology tools, such as computer-aided design software, which allows them to create 3D models with precise details of each television component. This helps them visualize and modify every aspect of the design before it is physically produced. At this point, designers also work on the aesthetics of the television. Will it be thinner than the previous model? How many inches will it have? What should the frame be like? And, of course, the materials are chosen that not only ensure a durable television, but also highlight the image quality. With all this clear, the design must be approved to ensure that everything is suitable to begin mass production. For this, a team of experts evaluates each aspect of the television, ensuring that everything meets the most demanding standards, and once approved, it is time to start with mass manufacturing. And as it cannot be otherwise, the first thing is the manufacture of the screen. Let's see it. Step number 2. Screen manufacturing. The screen is the heart of a television. Without it, there would be no image. It all starts with the glass panels, which are the basis of what will be the final television screen. These glass panels are fundamental, since they provide the surface on which the images are projected. This glass is carefully cleaned to ensure that there are no impurities that could affect the image quality. It is a special glass, since it must be completely transparent and without any imperfection. Operators use high-precision machinery to ensure that it remains in perfect condition. Then, an LED backlight layer is applied, crucial to illuminate the panel and allow the pixels to shine with the necessary intensity. The backlight consists of a layer of LED lights that is placed behind the glass panel. Since the pixels of a television cannot emit light by themselves, they need an external light source for the colors and images to be visible. Next, the LCD panel is placed, which is responsible for generating the images. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. This means that the panel is made up of liquid crystals that can change position. Depending on how they are aligned, they allow or block the passage of light, creating the images we see on the screen. This process is what gives rise to the sharp colors and images that you enjoy when watching your television. This panel is made up of tiny pixels that form the images. Each pixel is made up of 3 color subpixels: red, green, and blue. These 3 colors are the only ones that, when combined in different intensities, create all the other colors we see on the screen. It's impressive to think that a 55-inch screen can have up to 8 million pixels, processing a huge amount of visual information every second. This entire process is carried out with high-precision machinery, and operators ensure that each component is aligned correctly. After verifying that there are no defective pixels, the panel is ready for the next step: the assembly of the internal components. Step number 3. Internal component assembly. Now that the screen is ready, it's time to assemble all the internal components that will make the television work perfectly. In this step, components such as the motherboard, control systems, and audio and video system are mounted. This is where technology and innovation truly merge. First, the motherboard is connected, which is the brain of the television. The motherboard is fundamental, since it is responsible for perceiving the antenna signal, processing the image and sound, and connecting the television to the Wi-Fi network, which allows you to access your favorite applications such as Netflix or YouTube. At this time, the operators also connect the essential cables, such as the power cables and those that allow communication between the motherboard and other internal components. In fact, in each television, there are more than 100 cables, all of them connected with precision to ensure that each part of the television works correctly. Next, the power board is installed, which, as its name indicates, distributes all the electricity to the different components of the television, ensuring that each part receives the appropriate amount of energy to function correctly. The installation of these elements is completely manual and requires incredible precision, since the operators must connect all the components carefully to ensure that the television works without problems. Afterwards, the speakers are added, fundamental for the audio system. These are installed in specific points of the television to ensure that the sound is clear and of high quality, and that it complements the image quality perfectly. In addition, the cooling system is crucial. Fans and heat dissipation systems are installed to keep the television at the ideal temperature, ensuring that it works for more than 10 hours without overheating. With everything assembled and tested, the television is ready to take its final shape. Let's go to the next step to see how the frame and casing are assembled to complete its design. Step number 4. Frame and casing assembly. With the internal technology perfectly placed, it is the turn to fit everything into place. Each television is placed in a high-resistance frame, which provides stability and design. This step is crucial because functionality is combined with aesthetics. The frames are ultra-thin and made with materials such as high-resistance plastic or metal alloys, which gives them an elegant and robust touch. The operators assemble everything with millimeter precision to ensure that each component fits perfectly. The frame must not only be beautiful, but also resistant and light to facilitate handling and placement at home. Afterwards, the casing is installed, which covers the internal system and protects the components. Here, the supports and bases are also added, which allow the television to be placed safely, either on a table or mounted on the wall. With everything in place, the television is almost ready to leave the factory. But before, functional tests are carried out to ensure that everything is in its point. Let's see it. Step number 5. Testing and quality control. We have reached one of the most important moments, the testing and quality control phase. Each newly assembled television undergoes a series of exhaustive tests to ensure that everything is in perfect condition. The television is turned on, and the engineers perform a series of checks to verify that the image, sound, connectivity, and operating system response meet expectations. At this point, you may be wondering, what if something fails? Well, if the television does not pass the test, it simply does not go forward. Quality control is relentless. No matter the cost, the standard must be the highest, and if something does not comply, it is discarded and started again. This ensures that each television is of the highest quality. Televisions undergo rigorous testing: resolution, brightness, color fidelity, stability of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, even bumps, vibrations, and high temperatures, all to simulate the blows it could receive during transport or daily use. If everything passes without problems, the television is ready for the next big step: packing it. Step number 6. Packaging and preparation for shipping. The television is ready to leave the factory, but before reaching the stores and finally your home, it must be carefully packaged to ensure that it arrives in perfect condition. High-quality materials such as bubble wrap, foam, and boxes specifically designed for each model are used, ensuring that the television is fully protected during transport. The boxes include everything you need to enjoy your television immediately, such as assembly instructions and cables. Packaging also plays a key role in logistics. With the televisions packaged, they are labeled and sent to their final destination. In one of these factories, more than 10,000 televisions are packaged every day, ensuring that they arrive at their destination on time, ready to be enjoyed by buyers. And now that the television is packaged, it only remains to send it. Let's see how they finally get to the stores. Step number 7. Distribution and placement in stores. Once packaged, the televisions are efficiently distributed to stores and homes around the world, ready to offer hours of entertainment. In stores, televisions are displayed so that buyers can test the image quality and smart TV functions before making the decision to take it home. If you buy your television online, carriers take care of sending it directly to your home, ensuring that it arrives in perfect condition. Once at its destination, it's time to connect it and enjoy movies, series, video games, or applications, all thanks to smart TV technology. One of these televisions can cost up to $2,000, depending on its size and features, which reflects all the effort that goes into its manufacturing, design, and transportation. This concludes the incredible journey of an LED Smart TV, from its manufacture to your home, guaranteeing the highest quality at each step of the process. To finish, tell us, were you surprised by everything that making this device that we use every day involves? Which application of your smart TV do you use the most? Leave us your answer in the comments. And if this video surprised you, don't forget to like it and subscribe so you don't miss more fascinating manufacturing processes.